Step into a world of wonder at magical little minds. Get ready for fantastic stories that will transport you to extraordinary places. Remember to spread the magic by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.
Your Island by Jon Klassen. This is your sun. It is coming up for you. This is your palm tree. It can go over by the sun. These are your plants. They can go on the ground. This is your tent. It can go under the tree by the plants. This is your fire. It is a magic fire. It will never go out. This is your boat. It can go in the water. Always remember to tie it up. And this is your bird. He flies away sometimes, but he always comes back. This is your island. Now it is done. Now the sun is going back down. Now everyone is closing their eyes. Now your island is asleep. Now you can sleep too and think about what you will do there tomorrow.
Thank you for joining us on this magical reading journey. If you're ready to continue the fun and learn even more, visit our Etsy shop for exciting educational printables. You can count on us to make learning numbers fun and easy with our popular animal jungle themed kids numbers flashcards. Let's keep the learning adventure going. Head over to our Etsy shop now and make learning numbers a colorful and engaging experience.